All right, welcome back if you've been here before. If you haven't, my name's Dave. This is, it's the Brap Wrap today, but otherwise known as Brap Air. 165 horse avid flyer, two-stroke 800cc Rotax in it, makes 165 horse. Got to take it 4 hours away to get exhaust system built for it. And then some programming done on the way back. So got it wrapped for transport on the open airplane trailer. But today, I would like to rebuild this trailer a little bit. It's not terrible, but I did do it in a rush in my driveway with flux core welder and scrap metal bed frames and things like that. So it was a boat trailer and I needed a deck on it. So I'm going to pull the plywood off, see what exactly I did there, probably cut everything that I added off and use proper materials and build this thing properly. Put a new tire on it, flip this sucker over that I put on upside down, or should have put on the other way. And I had this trailer set up for having the airplane facing forward. And I was thinking about making a little steel ramp for the tail wheel to come up to pull it on backwards. But I think this is going to be the last time, hopefully, that I ever put the airplane on the trailer. So I think I'll just maybe turn it into what it is, a flat deck. It's pretty useful like this. All right, let's pull this bad boy apart.